Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for F1 2018 on the Xbox One. So this is the headline edition, which comes with the 2009 Braun BGP 001 and the 2003 Williams FW25. And the Braun is one of my favourite F1 cars of all time. Absolutely love that. The design of that car looks so clean, and I love the green inserts in it, especially on the wheels. So yeah. Anyway, on the front we've got Max Verstappen, Sebastian Vettel, and Lewis Hamilton. And then on the side we've obviously got the Red Bull, the Ferrari, and the McLaren, the Mercedes even. So yeah. And there's the side. I quite like the fact that they've put the green inserts to homage the Braun there on the headline edition bit. In the back, make headlines. It says all that there. It's the official game of the 2018 Formula 1 World Championship. So it is Xbox One X enhanced, 4K Ultra HD and HDR high dynamic range as well. And the install size is 40 gig. So that was a slipcase it came in. And then the full game is there. And as you can see, everything's exactly the same. So inside we have some DLC, which will already be redeemed. Advert for Fantech steering wheels. And then the manual itself, which I don't think there's really anything in. No, just a thing like setup for steering wheels and stuff, which is fine. And you've also got the disc itself. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing, guys, of F1 2018 on the Xbox One. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I'll talk to you later, and thank you very much for watching. Thank you, bye.